All right, join me on page 83 now, the top of page 83. Let's go over a few more examples, and then I'll release you to get started on your homework. All right, use the model to find the quotient. So 3 1/3. Here we have 1 whole, 2 wholes, 3 wholes, and then 1/3 of a 4th one divided by 1/3. So what this is asking is how many 1/3 are there in 3 1/3? Well, it's already broken those up for us. So there's 1/3, there's 1/3, here's 1/3. So there's 3/3 here. There's 1/3, there's 1/3, there's 1/3. So there's 3/3 there. There's 1/3, 1/3 here, 1/3 here. There's 3 there, and then 1/3 here. There's just 1. 4, 3, 6, 9, 10 is our final answer. All right, 2 1/2 divided into 1/6. So here we have 1 whole, 2 wholes, and then half. Note, see, they cut this in half and use just this part. And then each 2 1/2, they broke it into 6 parts. So we have a 1/6 here, 1/6 here, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, total of 6/6, 1/6 here, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, total of 6 there, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 3/6 there, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 2 2/3. So here's 1, 2. We want to break this into thirds. This was kind of our model for how to break this into thirds up here. We'll just copy that. And we're just going to be using 2 of these thirds. So this one, we're not going to be using that third, just these 2/3. And then we want to break these into 6. So I'm going to go ahead and break the rest of these into thirds real quick. I'm not doing a wonderful job of that. That's a little better. Okay, and then I break each one of these in half to get 6. See, now it kind of looks like these ones over here that are broken into 6. So let's count how many 6 we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is 16. All right, here we have to represent 3 1/2. Okay, we're breaking these into halves. So let's break them across just like this. And we have 3 wholes and then just a half of the 4th one. So we're not going to use this. Take that part out. And we're seeing how many halves we have. Well, these are already broken into halves. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 halves. So our answer is 7 for that one. Okay. Last one. 3 1/2 divided by 3. So let's go ahead and we have our halves here. Half, half, half. That's 2. That would be 3. And this would be, so 1, 2, 3 1/2. So we're only going to here. Let's see, and we're breaking it up into 3, so I can get 3 wholes, and then I have to break this half into 3 parts. Now this is out of a whole though, so this is 6ths, so we have 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. These would be 1/6s too, but we're stopping right here. So we want to break this divide it into 3 groups. So each group, one group would get 1 whole. So this is, remember, breaking it up into 3 groups. So each group would get 1 whole. And then each group would get 1/6. That's what division is. And so this would be 1 and 1/6. All right, thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Again, pause, rewind at any point, raise your hand if you have a question. Good luck. Thank you.